I don't want to be out there by myself now. Just leave.
Fuck, I'm gonna be by myself on Friday, Saturday.
I'll be like,
Don't leave me, man. Don't leave me, Amelia.
They're coming for Ashley. She's the one always in there.
Oh, shit. Some fucking paranormal.